Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding Odoo Functional Certification Examination. So you might have already heard about Odoo Functional Consultants who are certified by Odoo. So you might be also seeing a lot of posts in your social medias like I have passed Odoo certification exam and some certificates. So you might be wondering how to apply for this exam or how to do this exam or what will be the questions of this exam, etc. So we will be explaining about how we can apply for the Odoo functional certification exams and how it will be the questions and how much duration, what is the pass mark, etc. So let's see about it. So currently in the screen you are seeing the Odoo website, and in the other tab you have the Odoo shop. You can see the URL as odoo.com/shop, and here you can see Odoo certification examination V13, and you have Odoo certification V14, Odoo certification version 12. So in all the Odoo versions, Odoo is providing the certification examination. So after couple of months Odoo will be releasing Odoo 15, then soon Odoo certification V15 will be getting available. So if you are looking to take certification, it will be better always to do with the latest version. So once you are ready to take certification, as of now you can take the certification in Odoo version 14. So here you can see, simply from here you can add to this your cart, then you have to pay an amount. So here you can see the certification is USD 250. So you have to pay 250 for this exam first. So this is Odoo certification. There is a free certification also, so we will be discussing about that in the later part of this video. So once you add this to cart and once you make the payment, you will be getting a link where you can log in and write the exam. So exam will continue a random set of questions where you have to answer for that. It will be an like OMR type of answering, where you have to select from the given options, you have to select the answer, then you have to get around, or you have to score around 70% of the marks. That is, there will be negative marking if the answer goes wrong. I think they will deduct around 0.5 marks, and if the answer is correct, I think you will be getting 1 mark. So all the details will be shown before the examination, so I'll come to it later. So you have to choose the certification from here, then you have to pay for the exam, and then you have to just attend, and you have to score more than 70% of the marks in order to win the examination. So if you are not ready, like you might not be having a confidence directly to pay and write the examination, in such cases what you have to do is that you can go to the odoo.com, and if you scroll down you have a section called tutorials. Under the community you have the section called tutorials. So from here you can see you have different options. So this is the latest e-learning platform provided by the Odoo. So if you check here, you have the tab called certification. So if you come back here, you have the tab called certification. So once you click on certification, here you can see an option called Odoo sample certification. So this certification is free. You can directly apply and write your examination, and you can get sample certified in Odoo. So once you've done this, you will be having an idea about how to attend the examination. So if I click on here, you can see this is free. Simply you have to do is that you have to join the course. So in order to join, you have to have an account in odoo.com. so you can create an account in odoo.com by clicking the sign in button. So if I click on join course, you can see please create an account. You can click on create an account, and then you can write the sample certification examination. So once you done, so once you scored 70% in the sample certification, you will be getting a certificate from Odoo like this. You can see certificate of achievement. This certificate is presented to the Odoo mates by Odoo SA for successfully completing Odoo functional certification sample, and you can see date and along with the Odoo certificate. So this is a value certificate that you can hold with you, and you can share with your social medias, and you can add along with your portfolio also. So this is the simple way. So before directly jumping into the original certification exam, you can try this. Simply come to the odoo.com, and you can go directly odoo.com, go to the tutorials. So from the tutorials you can go to the certification tab, and here you can see Odoo sample certification. So don't worry, I'll be adding the link to the sample certification right under the video in the description section, so you can come here and you can do this exam. So right now what I'll be doing, I'll be joining logging into our account. If I log in my Odoo account, that is our email, then you have to enter the password, sign in, and let's come back to the tutorials. And if you go to the certification examination, right now you can see I have already completed this examination. You are enrolled and you have completed, and you can see it's around completion time is 20 minutes. There are around 12,000 people already have done this course. So if you already done, and this can be repeated multiple times until you get succeeded. So right now you can see I have already completed, and if I feel that I have to quit this exam, you can click on this and you can leave the course. So once you leave the course, you will be getting, suppose if I leave the course now, leave the course. So right now I'm leaving the course that I have done, so it will, you can see the join course is available. So right now I have logged into my account, you can see the join course button is available, and if I click on join course, you can see the begin your certification today. You can see the start button, start now. So once you click on start now button, Odoo will show us the list of questions. So here you can see Odoo functional certification sample. The criteria is that this sample test allow you to assess your level of the Odoo certification. The time limit is 20 minutes for 30 questions, average of 40 seconds per question. You get 1 point for every good answer, and there is a 0.5 for the wrong answers. And you can see one need 70% to this pass this examination. You can click on start certification. So once you click on start certification, you can see the timer will be getting running at the top, and you will have a set of questions to complete. So you can, once you enter the answer, you can click on continue, and once at the last, if you have scored 70%, you will be getting the certificate from the Odoo, or if you fail, you can try again. So this is about the Odoo sample certification. You can see the questions will be coming from CRM, inventory, MRP, e-commerce, human resource, timesheet, project, accounting, purchase, sales. Everywhere the Odoo questions will be coming, and it will be a random set of questions. So you have to be well prepared about the Odoo functionalities. So right now I'll simply leave the exam. So I'll go back. So simply you have to have a good functional knowledge in Odoo everywhere. So in order to prepare for this exam, what I will suggest you is that you can go to the latest, this is the Odoo e-learning platform, that is odoo.com/slides, and here you have different courses about all the modules in Odoo. You can see CRM, sales, purchase, rental, invoicing, accounting, subscription, point of sale, project. For every modules you will have a good set of documentation with available videos also. So I'll suggest you to complete. First of all, if you are preparing for the functional examination, just complete each courses. Click on CRM. Here I have already enrolled, that's why join button is not available, else you will have a join course button here. Join the course, go through the each videos, learning videos, take the quiz and move on. Thus you can have a good set of functional knowledge in Odoo, so that you will be getting prepared for the functional certification. So once you completed all the course, just attend the exam and crack it and get the certificate from the Odoo. And most people will ask what I should do in order to get certified. So in order to get certified, you should have a proper knowledge in Odoo. So to get the knowledge, go through the Odoo, like you create a database, go to settings, each settings. So if you have sales install, sales module will have its own settings. So understand what is this settings for and how it is working. Go to the purchase module, see the settings, how it works, and you have to have an understanding about all the modules in Odoo. So once you've done that, once you have the idea, just go to the odoo.com, crack the sample certification, get the certified, then you can go to the original certification where you can buy the certification and then crack the exam. So this is how you can prepare or how you can get Odoo certified. Simply or go to the odoo.com. If you need to take it for free, go to the tutorials. Then once you go to the tutorials, you will have a certification section here. So from here, apply for the sample certification that we can access freely. Then you can get certified. So once you've done that, and if you need to get the original certification, you can come here and take as per your need. So that's about this video. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please do click the like button and click the subscribe button to get notified regarding all the upcoming videos. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you all.